Hi, it's Yvonne here. If you don't follow me already, go and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button as well while you're down there. And yes, today, okay, if you don't follow me already, please do. I usually do Goodwill and bin hauls. I do yard sale, garage sale hauls, thrift store hauls, and I look for items either that I can resell and or keep for myself. If I'm reselling anything at all, it's usually a handbag, an accessory, usually designer, sometimes luxury if I'm lucky enough to find them. It will be on my Poshmark closet. I am at Odahita Girl or EGITADR like it's spelled there. So make sure you follow me on my Poshmark if you don't already. If you like anything in my closet when you go look, make an offer. I might accept it. So yeah. And there's always new things coming to my Poshmark. So if you want to be on the know as to what I'm coming and bringing in my closet and get first dibs, follow me on my Instagram. I am Luxury Handbag Cheapskate on Instagram. So make sure you go and you follow me on there if you do not already. And I'm all decked out for Valentine's Day because, hello, yes, this is my thrifted Valentine's Day shirt that I've had for a while. And my little ears or little headband is from a friend that gave it to me. And of course I have these little thrifted earrings, which I absolutely love. They're like super cute and sparkly, so I absolutely love those. Okay, but today I'm coming at you with an unboxing. Yes, I got something in the mail. I had ordered something off of Poshmark. There was there's this collection that I absolutely have fallen in love with over the years, and that is a collection from Coach. And I love Coach handbags. It's not really my first love, I'm going to say. This is more of like my second because my first love was actually Diddy and Burke. That was the first handbag that I got when I was in high school. And then this would be ultimately the second designer handbag that I got. So Coach, I have a special place in my heart for it. I will always love the brand. And this is a piece that I wanted in my collection. So when it popped up on Poshmark, I made an offer and they accepted. So let's get started and let me show you what's inside of the box here. It is something from, spoiler alert, the Legacy collection, which is the one that I absolutely love. That is the one that I am obsessed with. It is the Legacy 65th anniversary. All that collection just, it sings to my heart, and I absolutely love that collection. So, okay, it looks like it's packaged really nicely. Let me go ahead and show you, but it looks like it's packaged super nicely. So I really like that. I like how she used these in there, actually. I don't know if you're supposed to. I've heard you're not, but people do what they do, right? So this is really nice for packaging. So let me get that out, and then I'll go ahead and get the little card that's here, and it says, turn can't into can and dreams into plans. Okay, this is super cute. It's like a little kind of a pop-up card, as you can see there, like a little pop-up card. It says, and it says aloha, you know, and in my name it says, thank you so much for your purchase. I hope you love everything, Bridget. Thank you, Bridget, for this. I absolutely love it, and it's one of these cards that you can actually go like this. You fold it, which is super cute to put here in my closet. Fold it up, and then the little girl kind of stands up. I don't know if I showed it up close, but there you go. Super cute little card. I love it. Okay, and now let's get into what is inside of the package, because that is what I am most excited about. Like I said, I could have a few. Okay, I have quite a bit of pieces that I do have from this collection, so I'm always on the hunt for the pieces that I don't have. And these were pieces that I didn't have. Okay, let's start with this piece first. Comes in this little dust bag here. If I didn't mention, there was two pieces that were coming for the price of one, basically. And the first piece is this. Look at that. It's a little cute. Comes in this little velvet bag that's also marked Coach. And it is this really cute little bangle. It's a legacy bangle. Oh, I love it. I love the legacy colors. They are my favorite, and it's got the little rivet here stamped Coach. And this is just one of these bangles that doesn't open, so you basically have to stick it on and stick it off. I don't know if I'm going to keep this. I want to, but maybe I can like use it somehow in another way that's not a bangle. And that's just because my hand is, yeah. What can I say? The RA has really done a number on my hand, and so it is now impossible for me to wear bangles, unfortunately. But I absolutely love this, and it might fit my mother, so if it does, I'm sure she's going to just steal it from me. So there's that little piece there. I love that. Okay, the next item comes. It's really cute little dust bag. Again, legacy dust bag. Marked Coach there with a little patch in like a patent type leather. Super cute, super clean. And here's the item. Let's just take it out. Ooh, this is exciting. Look at this. Oh, yes, I love this. Look at this. This is so cute. Let me look it over. It's got a little spot here, but I'm pretty confident I can take that little spot off. This is pretty easy to clean if you spot clean it. It doesn't look like it has any other spots or any other really wear on it, to be honest. It does have a little bit of dirt here on the bottom, but again, if you really want to do, you can clean this. This is pretty easy to clean, as long as you use a very soft bristled brush so that it doesn't scratch the satin. Because that is the problem with these bags, is when you clean them, the satin ones, is that they do get to turn kind of pilly because you cleaned them really rough, so you have to be gentle. It's got this really beautiful kiss lock that has the Coach marked on it there. Can you see? Oh, so cute. This is just beautiful. And this is going to fit my phone, which I'm very excited about. I love it. And then it just opens up like this. And then the inside, oh, look at that inside. It's beautiful, nice on the inside. It's all like brown. It's got the little Coach patch there that says Coach, and then it says established in 1941. And then here you have this little Coach. The little Coach tag here is a metal Coach tag in gold, really cute again. And you have this really nice little strap here that's a little bit long, and it's really nice because it looks like the Coach, like the little Coach tag, the little ball chain that they use to lock the little tags in place. So this is really cute, and it does have this kind of little closure here so that you can hook it, and it does hook here on the sides. So let me go ahead and hook that over here on this side, and let's see. Okay, so here we go. Yeah, it just hooks there, and the strap is removable, so if I didn't want to use the strap, I could just use it as a little clutch or pouch in my purse. If I'm taking like a big purse or something, I could definitely use it like that. And then, oh, it closes fantastic. There's no problems with the snap closure, which is usually the case with these bags. Sometimes the snap closures don't work very well, but this is perfect. Oh my gosh. Look at that. I absolutely love it. It fits more like a shoulder bag, not like a crossbody bag. But if I want to, which I will, I can always just switch out this to use it as a little crossbody bag, or just use it as a little shoulder bag, and it should fit my phone. I don't want to try my phone because I'm filming on it, but I'm pretty sure But if I can, I will annotate the measurements down there in the description, and I'll also put as well as that, I'll also put something else. Maybe like I'll do a photo on Instagram or something of what fits inside. So make sure to follow me on my Instagram for that. But oh my god, I love this. Look at that. It's just so cute. Absolutely. And it's got a little pocket here, if I didn't already mention. It does have a little pocket here as well, so you can put like your cards or something. It's just like a little slip pocket. So I love it. Oh my god, I cannot wait to use this. I literally cannot wait to use this. This is perfect. Oh, another piece to add to my collection, like I said, because I absolutely love this collection. It's one of my favorites. I'm always looking for these pieces, and when I find them, if they're a great price, I usually do pick them up. So this was a great deal, meaning that I got that and this. So I absolutely love it. Well, that is it for the unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let's see if I can get everything in the picture here. And yeah, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.